Hello everyone, today I will show you how to start page numbering from first page and start with number 2. I'll add page number from this first page and it will be begin number 2. Select organize option and here you will find this header and footer option and select add and remove this text and I will add the center footer text and click on this arrow. This is edit page number style and I'll select this first page number 2 or you can add 3, 4, 5 and so on you want and select this one or this in format and select the first one and this increment this page increment you can make it 0, 1, 2 or 3 and select 1. Now select OK and page range I select all page, select OK. Now finally select OK and see this is first page and this page number start from number 2 and this 3 and this 4 and see first one, see this and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.